Alright, we're out at the okra, and this okra has not been named. There's no name given to this okra. So, and it's not out there anywhere. I've looked everywhere. So if you see it, if you think you know this variety and it is public somewhere, please tell me and I will give that credit its due. But my Uncle Don is from Missouri, and when you first get these pods, this is what they look like, and they're really super tender, and they're all green. Of course, the stems are red, and they're pretty much hairless, spineless, smooth, don't hurt, whatever you want to call it. But as these things mature, you can see it gets some color, and it's a unique looking color as they get really big. Now this one is probably 15-16 inches long, this one right here, and there's a lot of them that are long. But if you look down here, there's some that are dried, and let's see if you can even hear it. Hear that? You can hear the seeds in there. This one's not quite ready yet, but I've got several. There's one over here too, over here, and there's actually two growing in this one, and I have a second one over here. Look how big they are at the base. I don't remember okra being like that before, but I'm quite certain it is. It's not unique in any other characteristic other than color and tenderness at length. So what we're going to do is Gina and I are going to start harvesting them, and this one is a good 8 inches or so right here. We're going to start harvesting. That is super tender at 8 inches. Man, that's super tender. And most of the time people get okra when it's this size, but this one's actually really tender. This one's actually even still pretty pliable at that length, and that's huge. Anyway, I'm going overboard. I'm sure that last one's not edible, but we're going to save the seed. It's a really unique okra, and I'm going to call it Missouri Scarlet, and that's going to be the name of this one. And you can see I've got 3 seed pods over there. Really unique okra, and we're going to start eating it again. We had some last year when I grew it in the containers. I grew 2 of these in a container. They didn't get quite that big before I cut them out, basically. But look, I mean, there's an okra at every leaf node, which is a good thing for okra. So it's prolific, and it's colorful, it's unique. Missouri Scarlet. We'll see you later. Here's some I picked off to eat. You can see as they get a little more mature, actually when a plant gets taller, it starts putting more red into the pods and the leaves. The leaves are even red. Let's count the ridges on here, because a lot of red okra has like 4. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 ridges on each one, similar to a Clemson spineless. 2, we start right there, big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one's got 8. So yeah, that's some of the characteristics of it. Scattered with reddish purple colors, and a lot of ridges, really long, really tender at length.
Well, that wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. In order to subscribe, all you got to do is click the button here. We'll put a check mark next to it. If you want to get notification the next time I make a video, click on the bell here, check here, and hit save. You guys take care.